Welcome back to e-learning platform for standard 7 as per SSC board Maharashtra state, chapter number 6 and chapter 10 part of that for CBSE 6 standard. This is the second part and the last part of this chapter. Second parts के topic. First is standardized measurement of specifically length. Then measuring length of a given table or desk. Then instruments for the length measurement. Measuring length of curved line. Correct measurement of length. And major causes of errors in the measurement. Let us see standardized measurement, that is for length. पहले के ज़माने में कैसे करते थे? With the help of hand span और फुट और क्यूबिट. अब ये नया क्या है क्यूबिट? क्यूबिट इज द लेंथ फ्रॉम एल्बो टू फिंगर टिप्स. दिस वॉज यूज्ड इन एंशियंट इजिप्ट एंड वॉज ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेड एज यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ इन अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ओके, so these are basically units: span, foot or hand span. So what is unit basically? It is a comparison of unknown quantity with some known quantity. This known is the fixed quantity, that is unit. Okay, it has basically two parts, or any measurement has two parts. One is number and another is unit. Okay, now let us try to measure the length and breadth of cupboard at home. Okay, with the help of hand span or foot or cubit, whichever you feel comfortable, but you use same or there should be consistency. Okay, for that you can enjoy this experiment with your elderly persons at home or whoever companion you have. Okay, and make such kind of table. Name of the person, length and breadth. Okay, and one more thing, that is measuring width of table. Now specifically for this measurement we are going to use your hand span. Okay, so for this table make such kind of table, that is name of person and name of the hand spans. Hand span, foot or cubit cannot be used everywhere, right? जैसे आप यहाँ पे पिक्चर में देख रहे हो, बड़ा फुट है, छोटा फुट है, या ऐसे वेरिएशन तो होते रहेंगे. So it cannot be considered as standardized unit. This is for length measurement of anywhere. Then for measuring the length of the cloth, yard was used. Then it was rectified और equivalent जो है उसका ढूंढ के निकाला, that is 1 yard is equal to 37 inches, that is 0.93 meter. That was used for cloth measurement. Then Romans used pace for measuring length. So pace is the distance of one full step. Again अगर ये दो steps के बीच में का distance change हो गया तो ये फिर से change होने वाला. Similarly in ancient India for measuring small things, अंगुल was used. अंगुल is finger. और मुट्ठी, मुझे मुट्ठी भर अनाज दे दो, ऐसे बोलते थे. Okay, even today the flour sellers are using forearm as unit of length for measuring garlands. Okay, so many things are still continued, like using body parts for measuring length. Here it is hourglass for measurement of time. Okay, for measuring small units like small things, that is for gold, unit of gunj was used. What is gunj? These are gunja seeds, like Abrus precarius. Okay, so there was one more unit, that is rati. It is based on the nominal weight of gunja seed. That meaning 1 rati is equal to 1.8 or 1.75 grains, which is equivalent to 0.1215 gram. Okay, then in 1790 French created the standard unit of measurement, that is called as metric system. पहले तो हमने देख लिया कि हमें हैंड स्पैन, क्यूबिट, फुट ये कुछ यूज़ नहीं करना है, लेकिन टेबल की लेंथ तो मेजर करनी है. तो क्या करोगे, किस चीज़ से मेजर करोगे? विद दिस थ्रेड और विद दिस बेल्स. अगर बेल्स की लेंथ भी कम ज़्यादा कर दें तो, और अगर विद दिस थ्रेड if we are marking two lines on that thread and then measure, so we will say that length of that table is so many markings. लेकिन अगर थ्रेड कम हो गया तो, या थ्रेड ज़्यादा हो गया तो कैसे मेजर करने? Now let us measure the length of this desk with hand span. 1, 2, 3 and might be half. Let us measure with someone else's hand span. 1, 2, 3 and maybe one finger. So there is change. I measured with first person, that was 3.5, and now it's complete 3 and one finger. So length, in the measurement of length there is change. Length is same but measurement is different. Now here we have made pieces of threads as per the hand spans. Here it is for first person, here it is for second person. Now we are going to attach all these pieces, this one and this one, and will form two connected threads with the help of knots. All connected pieces of threads are giving us single kind of thread. Of course there are knots. What do we see? We see that length is different. So that's why this method also is not useful. A hand span, arm length, foot step, rope, these were ancient instruments. ओके लेकिन आजकल के ज़माने में अगर कारपेंटर को कुछ यूज़ करना है तो वो क्या कर सकता है? विच इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ही विल यूज़? ही मे यूज़ रूलर, measuring tape, screw gauge, vernier caliper. Out of this screw gauge and vernier caliper you will learn little later. Okay? अगर छोटी चीज़ें मेजर करनी हो तो दिस इज स्मॉल स्केल. What is the need of standardized measurement? ये hand span, can we use it everywhere? No, क्योंकि हर एक का ये अलग अलग आने वाला है. So in that case, if I want to measure the length of any cloth, then in that case it will come different. So there is standardization of measurement. That is the need. So such standard units are basically fit into two systems. One is MKS, M is mass, K is kilogram, and S is second. So distance or length is in meter, mass is in kilogram, time is in second. Similarly, there is another system, that is CGS. Distance or length is in centimeter, mass is in gram, and time is in second. So MKS, that is distance, mass, time, these are fundamental things or quantities, and their units are called as standard units. These three quantities are used to measure all other quantities. ये fundamental quantities का भी standardization ज़रूरी है. This standardization is done with respect to platinum iridium alloy, which is kept at International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Paris. So mass of this cylinder is equal to 1 kilogram, and there are two lines engraved on this cylinder. So distance between them is called as or considered as standard meter. Then how is standardization of time done? It is done that one revolution of earth is considered as 24 hours. Then we are going to convert 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now this MKS, CGS, these are International System of Units or System International, that is SI unit. This is also known as metric system. This is based on 7 fundamental units. Okay, I have prepared one chart here. You also prepare such kind of chart. Like first column is physical quantity, length, mass, time. Second is unit in MKS, third is in CGS. And we all know that there is conversion or relation between meter, centimeter, kilogram, gram, likewise. Okay, we have seen such kind of stone at many places. That's why it is needed to understand this system again. Okay, then such 6 fundamental units, namely meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, ampere, candela, are kept in National Physical Laboratory at New Delhi. Here is conversion table of length. Okay, length measurement basically. This is just for understanding, and there is fun while understanding meter, that is kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi, millimeter. Now we want to measure length of this line. If it would have been straight, we would have been measured with the help of hand span or with the help of thread. Or nowadays we can measure with the help of scale, or if distance is larger, then with the help of tape. But this line is curved, this is not straight. So what we will do, we will take thread, we will match start points of thread and the line, and we will trace this thread along this curved line. If finish, we will cut here, we will make it straight and measure with the help of tape or scale. This is a blade. This is not ordinary cutter, okay? This is kind of curved kind of thing. If we want to cut, then it is used. But this is useful, or such kind of principle is useful even for architecture. Yes, the curved line tracer. If I want to cut like this, then I can see how much this wheel has traveled. My initial marking was at this arrow, and right now it is here. So during this, it has completed 2 circles. Circumference of this one kind of circle is 60 mm. So from that we can determine what is the length of this path. Let us see here how to avoid the errors or how to measure the length correctly. We need to take care of following things. First, place the scale in contact with the object along its length. Okay, properly उसके along रखना है आपको. If the scale is broken, then do not consider it's 0. Okay, in such cases you should avoid taking measurements from 0 mark of the scale. So you can consider the next number for that and accordingly subtract, and that will be your length. Next is, then you must subtract the reading of this mark from the reading at the other end. Like this. If I am not considering 0 at C, then start from 1. That will be your C. So D minus C will give you exact length measurement. The correct position of eye is also important for taking the measurement. Here, if you can see, अगर आप अलग अलग एंगल से देख रहे हो, you will see different numbers. So you may not get the exact reading. Now, which instrument you want to use, it depends on the purpose. So accordingly you have to use the device. अब ये सब अवॉइड करने के बाद भी एरर्स आ सकती है. What are the major causes of errors in measurement? First is using inappropriate device, and second is not using the device properly. Okay, now let us see in day-to-day life. Where do you observe such kind of errors? And to avoid such things, what can be done? Okay, जब मार्केट में जाते हो कुछ आपके पेरेंट्स ने बोला कुछ लेके आओ, तो whether you are getting proper weight or not of that, how to check that? First is always check whether there is stamp of standardization. Yes, it is always there. Then check the stability of the balance, whether pointer is upright. After that, whether weights are metallic or not. They should not be of plastic or wooden or anything else. Okay? Then check the position of the balance. वो ठीक से है या नहीं. And fifth point is whether the pan is tempered. मतलब नीचे से कुछ स्क्रैचेस वगैरह है या नहीं. ओके अब ये तो हुआ सॉलिड का. लिक्विड में कहाँ देखते हैं आप लोग? राइट, एट पेट्रोल पंप. डू यू रियली गेट द पेट्रोल इन लीटर्स वॉट एवर इज इंडिकेटेड? To ensure this, it is necessary to check it against a standard measure from time to time. Okay? To prevent this, consumers from being cheated, weights and measures subdivision functions as part of Food, Urban Supply and Consumer Protection Division by government. Officers of this division visit different places from time to time and assure whether the measurement is taking place is proper or not. अगर ऐसा कोई चीटिंग पाया गया तो उनके लाइसेंसेस भी कैंसिल कर दिए जा सकते हैं. ओके ये थोड़ी सी एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन है. जब बारिश होती है तब ऐसे डैम्स में पानी जमा होने लगता है. सो हाउ दैट वाटर इज मेजर्ड, कितना हुआ, क्या हुआ, ये कैसे मेजर करते हैं? इट इज़ इन TMC. व्हाट इज़ 1 TMC? इट इज़ 1000 मिलियन क्यूबिक फीट. अब ये क्यूबिक फीट कितना है? 1 क्यूबिक फीट इज इक्वल टू 28.317 लीटर. सो 1 TMC मतलब कितना हुआ? तो जस्ट कैलकुलेट. अब ये नया एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है दैट इज एटॉमिक क्लॉक. Where is it used? Basically ये घड़ी थोड़ी अलग टाइप की है. Okay? It is used for television broadcast, GPS and internet. Okay? This is the most accurate clock for measuring time and frequency. जैसे नाम है एटॉमिक तो उसका एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर यूज़ किया जाता है. जैसे आपको फ्रेंड्स बुलाते हैं और आप खेलने के लिए उत्सुक रहते हैं तब यू गेट मोर एनर्जी. सो जब आप खेलने जाते हो यू गेट एक्साइटेड. तो ऐसे ही यह एटम अंदर से बाहर जाता है और फिर से नीचे आता है. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस लिटिल बिट आफ्टर 10th स्टैंडर्ड. ओके तो वो जब बाहर जाता है और वापस आता है अंदर के ऑर्बिट में तब क्या होता है? वो जो उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो एक्यूरेट है, वो एक नोन है, वो नेचुरली उतनी ही रहती है. वो जो है वो यूज़ की जाती है. ओके इसीलिए ये सब सिंक्रोनाइजेशन आसानी से हो सकता है. अगर आपको इसका मोर डिटेल एक्यूरेट देखना हो तो मैं यहाँ पे 2 लिंक्स आपके लिए दे रही हूँ. यूज योर ब्रेन पावर. कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट वेरियस फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज यूज्ड इन डे टू डे लाइफ एंड द डिवाइसेस यूज फॉर देयर मेजरमेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ पॉसिबल एरर्स in day-to-day life. How will you measure the length of a banana? By first method or second method or what else? How will you measure the height of any plant? Then how will you measure your height?